Hi, today we'll do another shop review. It will be California Carnivore and we will see what kind of Nepenthes we can get for Windowsill. Okay, so today we'll see California Carnivores. I never visit the website. Obviously it's not shipping to Canada, so let's see. Shop plants, tropical pitcher plant, okay. So they classify the lowland Nepenthes and the highland, but they don't really talk about the intermediates. That's the intermediates that we will be searching for when we want to grow them on a windowsill. Let me check the lowland. Oh, well, there is no lowland, so let's go back. Let's check the highland, okay? Okay, they are here. So by price, as usual, $150 maximum for one plant. And we will see what I would take. So this one, Singulana, let me search. I have another tab with Tom's Carnivore, Singulana. I will check. For me, it's a super highland. Yeah. So Singulana, except if you are in Canada with a cold windowsill, it won't be possible. Petiolata talagensis, I think that would work. Petiolata talagensis. Okay, so 70 to 80 Fahrenheit during the day. So from warm to hot, cool, and for the nights between 52 to 62. So 62 it's manageable, but it will prefer colder nights. But for me, for example, I would still try. Let's have a look. And I mean, it's not crazy expensive, so yeah. I would try it. It looks good. Looks very nice. Let's see the plant. Okay. Nice. Okay, let's see. What else? Spectabilis platykyla. Very nice. I think that would work nicely. Beautiful plants, for sure. Good size. The color is already there. Ah, that's great. Yeah, I will double check, but for me, I have hybrids of platykyla. I have pure Spectabilis. Everything is working so far, so... Okay. 73 to 85 Fahrenheit during the day. So it will like it warm. 55 to 67 during the night. It can handle clearly cold nights, but yeah, so that would work. For me, yeah, this one would work just fine. Singulana, again, I would not even try it. For a windowsill, I mean, if you have a Highland chamber, that's great. Mira peltata. Mira peltata, the temperature range is super narrow. So 75 to 84 during the day. Because it's so narrow, I would be concerned. I would try because of the price, like $20. But... usually, if it's really a narrow range for a temperature, it will require that exactly. So, for me, less adaptable, but I would still try it again because of the price, because that's not even... that's beautiful. Look at that. Very nice. Yeah, and you can tell the leaves will be really colorful. So No, that should be a good one. It's funny how the peristome is light here. On this one it's dark. So I guess there is some variation. That's good. What else? Okay. Talangensis by Spectabilis. Yes, definitely. There is only one in stock. But yeah, it's beautiful. Look at that. The color of the body, the stripes. That's very nice. Good looking plants. And okay, it's tiny, but I mean, it will grow. So yeah, grow on a sunny windowsill. Cool. So yeah, clearly this one I would try. Ventricosa, it's easy. My K, not sure I know this one, but should work just fine because of Ventricosa. Spectabilis Rocantlii. That's an interesting one. I have both on my windowsill. Spectabilis is doing just fine. Rocantlii is more demanding. In a sense, during winter, it didn't picture a lot because it's too dry, because I'm heating the house. So in between should be better than pure Rocantlii for sure. And you will have the stripes of the Spectabilis. Yeah. And again, the size is not bad. Yeah, I would take this one to give it a try. Bocciana Closey. Bocciana, that's lowland for sure. But Closey? Closey, it's missing an I here. Okay, that's not bad. 73 to 85 Fahrenheit during the day. Okay. So all summer should be just fine. And very nice during nights. 55 to 67. So clearly, when you are from 67 at night to 73 during the day, that's literally most of the houses. So yeah, I would take it. This one. Dactylifera, interesting. This one is not one that we see often. Okay, wow. So it looks pretty adaptable. It should be something like 73 to 92 Fahrenheit during the day. So you can go really hot, you won't mind. And okay, it needs a cooler night, but not even. No, it's 55 to 74. So yeah, it looks perfect for a windowsill. I don't know if they talk about that. Or it was Fusca before, yeah. Sunny windowsill. Cool. Okay. I like the fact that they will talk about the windowsill here. Feel less lonely. What else? Aristo Bouquet, yes. This one, it's already, I know it will be great. If you like the shape of the Aristo, that's a keeper. Rob Fusca, interesting. This one, I'm always careful when there is Rocantlii. Rocantlii could be finicky. On a windowsill, if you have a grow tent, it's less a problem. A Fusca. Wow, that's super narrow. We are talking about, 74 Fahrenheit to 81. So that's not a lot of a difference during the day. And for the night, 56 to 63 So again, super narrow. This one, I'm not sure I would give it a try. Whoa. BBGA Petiolata. This one looks beautiful. Okay, let's have a look. Wow, the color. Wow, the color is fantastic. Especially with the green sphagnum moss on the back, but yeah, that's cool. It should work perfectly on a sunny windowsill, as they say. That's definitely a nice one. Decent size. Yeah, this one, yeah, for me, so far, that would be the first one I would try. Because of the shape, the color. I would also try Telegensis spectabilis. But yeah, this one is really nice. Okay. Okay, Tenuino Raja Pladicaila. That's some interesting cross. Should work on the windowsill too. It's able to handle a lot of heat with no problem and a lot of cold at night with no problem. So that should be good. This one looks even better. It's more expensive for sure, but we see the stripes here. And you can tell by the body, there is some Loei in it. That's nice. Loei Vichii, it's already good. Yeah, this one should be nice. Yeah, more expensive, but could be very nice. Rajal Replicantly, I would pass on this one because on the windowsill is too dodgy. Remy Spina, interesting. Let me check. I heard that Remy Spina was adaptable. Yeah. Look, on a warmer side, but if you have a warm windowsill, that should work. Yeah. It's for sure a very nice... yeah. Yeah, looks good. Raja Colossi. I don't know. Let me check, but the Raja Highland Colossi. Okay, more intermediate. Okay. So that could be a good one too, this one. Let's have a look. Oh, it's good. Again, sunny windowsill. I'm wondering how accurate it is, but yeah, after that we are already over the 100. So to resume, what I would take, probably the Raja Vichii Loei, probably the Berbegiae by Petiolata, the Dactylifera also. I don't have this one, and that could be fun. Mira, no, the Talagensis spectabilis. So less choice than others websites, but some good stuff. Like clearly there is ways you can grab a few cool hybrids, and that should work just great on the windowsill. And sometimes they probably also have the lowland, but not for now. But on lowland, if you grab some Ampullaria, for example, that could work. So did you order already from California Carnivores? And if yes, what did you took? What kind of hybrid Nepenthes did you picked? Let me know if it was for the windowsill or more because you have a grow tent and you knew you were able to provide the perfect setup. That's it, guys. Until next time, happy growing.